If you're a consultant looking to deliver live demos effortlessly, CrankWheel might be the solution you're seeking. But does it actually stack up to the competition when it comes to making your demos more engaging and effective? Stick around because by the end, I'll not only give you the rundown on CrankWheel, but also share some alternatives that could help you achieve your demo goals more effectively. First off, CrankWheel is designed with simplicity in mind. The platform allows you to share your screen instantly without any downloads for your customers. It's quick, seamless, and really cuts down on the friction typically associated with remote demos. The easy-to-use interface is one of its major selling points. Consultants especially like it for the ability to share presentations and documents without dealing with technical hiccups that often come with other tools. Next, CrankWheel excels when it comes to the speed of delivering demos. You can start a demo with just a link or a QR code, making it super convenient for both you and your clients. No need to schedule long demo setups. Just send the link and you're in business. This instant access could be a game changer if you're often working on a tight schedule and need to show your product to multiple prospects on the same day. The third thing to note is its compatibility with mobile devices. Since more people are working remotely, CrankWheel's mobile-friendly features make it easier to connect with clients who might not have access to traditional office setups. It allows clients to view your presentation, no matter where they are, from the comfort of their mobile device. While some competitors may offer mobile access, CrankWheel's ease of use in this department is a clear standout. However, despite its simplicity, CrankWheel does have some limitations. One key drawback is the lack of advanced features that some of its competitors provide. For example, tools like Zoom or Microsoft Teams offer far more customization options, which could be a deal breaker if you're looking for a platform that gives you full control over your demo environment. CrankWheel's simplicity might feel limiting if you need more sophisticated features like video conferencing, attendee management, or integration with other platforms. The fourth thing you should consider is CrankWheel's pricing model. While it offers a free trial, some users have found that once the trial ends, the subscription pricing can be a bit steep for those just getting started with online demos. This can be a turnoff for smaller consultants or those on a budget who might be considering alternatives that provide more bang for their buck. Now, don't go anywhere just yet. I've also got some amazing alternatives for you to check out. For consultants looking for a bit more versatility, software like Demio or Webinar Jam could be more suitable. These platforms offer more advanced features such as automated webinars and integrations with other business tools, which could give you the competitive edge you're looking for in a highly professional demo setup. In conclusion, CrankWheel is definitely worth considering if you're after something simple and straightforward. But depending on your needs, you might want to explore some alternatives that offer greater functionality at competitive prices. The good news is that I've got an exclusive, extended free trial of CrankWheel that you can try out for yourself, but I've also linked to some amazing alternatives in the description that might work even better for your specific demo goals. Through our link, you'll get access to the best free trial and exclusive benefits that you won't find anywhere else. Don't miss out!